The Artificial Intelligence Masterclass in Work and Research Productivity will be holding online on 21st and 25th of June. 2023, you'll be exposed to opportunities in artificial intelligence and tools to leverage for improvement of your work research performance and productivity. Don't miss this opportunity to advance your skills and career. If you're an artificial intelligence enthusiast and want to expand your knowledge, this masterclass is for you. Academicians, students, administrators, and entrepreneurs looking to boost productivity in their work will benefit greatly from this 2-day class. The masterclass features a wide range of professionals, including researchers and content creators. You'll gain insights into the latest trends and how to leverage AI in whatever you do. Our facilitators have extensive experience and are passionate about sharing their knowledge and expertise. Registration is available until 21 of June, 2023. Visit our website to learn more and secure your spot today.